Hey, this is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. Welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if you are new, welcome to you as well. So guys, today I have another Napkin Exchange challenge video for you. So without further ado, let's jump in. Now, my project came from Nohimi, handcrafting with Mimi, and she challenged me to decoupage a side table using napkin. This is an insulated foam shipping kit, and I got this when my husband purchased my birthday cake from Carolina's Cake. You guys have to try them out. Their cakes are so good. And this sheet of foam is from a furniture that we purchased some time ago, and I decided to keep it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some of this fix-it-all glue from Dollar Tree. I thought I would use the caulking to cover up the spaces, but then I remembered, oh, you're not going to be able to put the thing down, so I scrapped that idea. And then this is Oops paint from the hardware store. I'm going to use that to paint the kit. So I glued the two pieces together using the hot glue and the fix-it-all glue. And guys, I forgot to mention I am on the floor in my kitchen because this is the only uncarpeted floor space because this is a large project, as you can see. And then I applied the paint, which was perfect for this container. And then once I got that done, I took it outside and left it in the sun to dry, and I'll come back after that is dried. So this is a Napkin Exchange challenge hosted every month by Sarah from Sunflowers at DIYing, and this month we have Miriam from Craft with Miriam joining her. And like I mentioned, we exchanged napkins, but this month we decided to just exchange projects. So I will leave both their links as well as Naheem's channel as well as the playlist in my description box below. So make sure to check them out when you get done watching my video. So let's get back. Now the paint is all dried, and this napkin I got from Temu, my shabby chic napkin, and that's what I'm going to be using with some Mod Podge. So I took 2 small pieces of masking tape, and that's just to help me to pull apart the plies. Guys, don't you just love this napkin? I love it, and it blended in so perfectly with the paint on the foam. I just absolutely love it. Now what I'm doing, I'm just measuring out where I need to start or where I need to place the napkin down. And like I said, this is a large project, so it's a little challenging. But anyway, I managed to get what I needed to get done. So once Christine decided how she's gonna lay this down, as you notice, that little part there was damaged, but I covered it anyway. And I'm going to be working in sections. That shift that you saw there caused the Mod Podge to spill. I had to clean it up. And once I placed the Mod Podge down and the napkin on top of that, I went over that with the heat press and my parchment paper. This is the best method that works for me. I see others do it differently, but this works better for me, so I just go with what works. Wouldn't you agree? So I applied the Mod Podge and I dried it just a little, and then I placed the napkin over that and the parchment paper and used the heat press to seal that in. So if you are new to my channel or coming over from the playlist, welcome. I'm so happy you joined me today. Here on my channel, I do DIYs on a budget, dupes, look for less, and some occasional Dollar Tree shopping hauls and thrift flips. If you love budget-friendly DIYs like these and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and be sure to hit that notification bell. Hit it again and select all so YouTube notifies you whenever I upload new videos. I must tell you guys that when I got my assignment, which was to do a side table, I didn't have a small side table. I didn't know what I was gonna do. My initial thought was to get 2 of Dollar Tree's flower pots and one of their round sign and make that into a side table. I'm gonna do that one day. But then I remembered that I had this container and I'm like, there you go, Christine, there is your side table. And then I found the foam for the top and I'm like, oh yes, I have my side table and I already had my napkins, so that was already taken care of. And here I go with my challenge. And I'm all so happy with this side table. You let me know when you see the final results. You let me know what you think, all right? So I am now finishing up the side, and as you saw what I did, I folded in the edges, you know, just like how you would wrap a gift. I folded it like that, and then I applied the Mod Podge just like you see me doing or have been doing. This napkin is so beautiful. I just love it. I got this on Temu. I have a link in my description box below. If you would like to get anything from Temu with a 30% discount, you can use that link. But I just love this napkin. And that is how I sealed the sides and the edges. And now it's all done. So now you see where I joined the napkins in the middle. I took this sheet and I'm going to place that on top. I also had a set of cutting mats from Dollar Tree in my stash, and I'm going to be using one of that. And then to cut strips of the napkin, I used a paintbrush with some water just to separate the piece that I needed. And I'm using that to cover the seams or where the napkin joined so that it seemed seamless. See what I did there? If you're enjoying the content so far, go ahead and hit that like button. That helps YouTube to promote this video so more viewers like yourself can find my channel. Alright, so now it's all done. I'm going to put the cutting mat over that, and I chose the matte side, not the smooth side, the side that was not so glossy. And once I measured it, it didn't quite fully covered everything, but then I realized that I needed to spray it first. So I took it outside, sprayed it with the Mod Podge spray, and then once it dried, I'm now going to apply the mat using some of the Fix It All glue. And I applied a generous amount. I'm placing the cutting mat over it, protect the surface of the napkin. My intention is to put this on my patio outside. You know, like if you're sitting on a patio and you need to put down a glass with your refreshing ice cold beverage, then you won't have to worry about the napkin getting damaged. The good thing about using the gel adhesive is that you could easily move the mat around if you need to shift it to the left or to the right without it lifting up the napkin. So once I place the mat down, this is straw hat from Dollar Tree that I pulled apart and wrapped it around this napkin tube. And I'm just cutting pieces of it down to cover, just for decorative purposes and to cover where the edge of the mat is. And I did that for the 4 sides, and I am loving my little decorative side table top. Here I'm just using my finger to press the glue down onto the mat to make sure I have it secured properly. And this is all done. I am not going to do anything further with it. So now I'm ready to place it on, to glue it down on the base. I used the Fix It All glue and a lot of hot glue. And made sure that I lined it up properly and then glued that down. And now we're ready for the final reveal. Here is the little side table. Now I displayed a teapot and a cup and saucer on it just to give you some ideas of how this can be used. And in the corner there, right on the foot of my stairs, I just placed it right there with a vase. Now guys, let me know what you think about my little trash to treasure decoupage side table. Did I do well with this challenge? You let me know. I think I did. Naomi, let me know whether or not I completed your challenge like you asked me to. And if you're wondering if this is going to become a permanent piece of furniture in my home, no, not really. But I just love it and I'll keep it around for as long as I can. Guys, don't forget the playlist. Don't forget the host channels. That's Sarah's and Miriam, as well as the playlist in the description box below. And if you love budget-friendly content like this and you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so before you leave. And if you would like to see more, I suggest this video right here or this playlist. And stay safe until my next video on Sunday. What would you make? Don't forget to check that one out, and I'll catch you later. Bye.